everybody. Today I have this Modern Warfare 3 Xbox 360 controller. I got it from a used video game store. The guy sold it to me for $10 because the D-pad is broken here, as you can see, and I have this. I bought this online from Amazon, and I'm going to try to replace it. Now, there is some scratching on here. It's probably what broke it off. I'm going to try to cut that. I'm not going to try to fill it or fix it or anything. I don't know how to do that. I may just push it back. I'm not sure. I'll have to take it apart and see what I can do with it. So I turn it over. Oh yeah, it's missing the battery case too. The screws in here. Uh-oh. Where'd you go? Oh no, the first one I took out and it's... Oh, there it is. Don't know if you can see this very well, but it's a security bit screw. So I found my bits from Harbor Freight that I bought. No endorsement. And luckily it's a T9, and I'm able to take these out. So I'll get the rest of these out and be back with you. Alright, I got all the screws out. I don't know if you can see this on there, depending on how it shined, probably not. Right there, yeah. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it looks like about right here is a circle. So I have a feeling there's a screw under there. Now what I'm going to try to do is use either the X-Acto knife or this plastic lifter thingy and a hairdryer to lift up the label so that I can take that screw out. I don't want to just cut the label out, so we'll see how that goes. Again, this has a scratch on it here. There's a little wee nick out of it here, and it has these scratches. I am trying this. I really want to make this a good controller, but also at the same time, it's not in the best shape, so if I do happen to not get this very well, then I'll just cut that out. It's not a super loss for me because there's other damage to it already. Okay, so it appears with a mixture of heating, using the X-Acto knife first, and then the plastic one. The label is coming up. Oops. What if I push it all back down? Okay, gotta do this. And it is not a screw. Huh, maybe they did away with it. Microsoft's starting to get cheap, maybe? But it's just plastic. Alright, well, that's a good thing because I did not ruin the label. I'm trying to pull it off. Yeah, and there's nothing else. Okay, so I'll put that back down. Not sure if there's anywhere else where there could be a screw. So let's try taking this apart again. And anyone, if you're buying used controllers, taking them apart, even just to clean them, is a good idea because there's all kind of meh stuff in here. Come on. Okay, if anyone has an easier way of doing this, I would really appreciate knowing. I thought this would come apart by now. Well, let's just try some brute force. That doesn't seem to be working too well. It seems like there's still something here, but I don't know what. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I think I found the problem. It's not up here. I think there's one down here. Alrighty, well, I had it the wrong way, so I don't know how much on the video I got, but as you can see, I brought you over to do the cleaning. I'm going to stop this video.